Let me explain the 2-day masterclass. Day 1 is the fashion trend forecast masterclass, which is to understand trend and the process of forecasting. Traditionally, a fashion design process starts from inspiration and concept, which enables you to create an interesting narrative. But it usually does not help in identifying the right product, what to make, because eventually you want to design something that is going to sell. At this stage, understanding of fashion trend becomes an essential tool to identify the right product which would be endorsed by masses. Now, fashion forecasting helps you to predict the products that are going to be relevant even after 2 years. In Trend Forecasting Masterclass, you will learn the complex process of fashion forecasting. Believe me, it is science. Day 2 is the Art and Culture Masterclass. Let's understand the relevance of it. The biggest trend for global designer is in their local crafts. And if you see the biggest designer like Sabyasachi or Rahul Mishra, they are getting global recognition because they are using their national crafts. On day 2, in the Art and Culture Masterclass, you will experience the biggest folk art exhibition ever in New Delhi, with nearly 1 million motifs and hundreds of interesting narratives. There would be a curated walk by internationally acclaimed Manisha Jha, which is not to be missed, and one experiential workshop of the art inside the gallery. So looking forward to see you all.